Welcome to another audio episode of Environmental Conscience, the education channel regarding our environmental problems and how to solve them. If you want to get notified when new audio lessons are published, please click the subscribe button. In this lecture, we are talking about the pros and cons of frozen foods. You can also find the related article to the lecture in the video description if you want to study this topic in more detail. Frozen food has become increasingly popular over the past decades. It is quite convenient to just open the freezer and get various different foods which you can use for cooking. Yet, apart from the many advantages of frozen food, there are still some issues related to it. In this article, the pros and cons of frozen foods are discussed. Advantages of frozen foods. Use of frozen food can be convenient. One advantage of frozen food is that it is quite convenient to use. You just have to open your freezer, get out your favorite food and can use it for cooking. Quite often, frozen foods are already cut and you do not even have to take any efforts in this regard. Hence, frozen food can be a quite convenient alternative to the use of fresh food. Frozen food can contain plenty of nutrients. Another benefit of frozen food is that it often contains plenty of nutrients. Some frozen foods even contain more nutrients compared to fresh foods. This is especially true when it comes to vegetables and fruits. Those foods often have to be shipped over quite long distances. This also implies that fruits and vegetables will have been harvested in an unripe state so that they will not become bad during the transportation process. However, unripe vegetables and fruits do not contain as much beneficial substances as ripe ones. Therefore, harvesting ripe vegetables and fruits and freezing them may preserve significantly more vitamins and nutrients than offering them in a fresh state. There are also many frozen convenient food dishes. If you don't want to cook by yourself and still want to rely on frozen food, there are also some frozen convenient food alternatives out there. Thus, frozen food is not only suitable to create your own dishes, you can also use them in case you just want to reheat a convenience food product. Frozen food can save you time. Frozen food can also save you plenty of time. Many people in our nowadays society are quite stressed and have to do many different things. Quite often, there will not be enough time left to create a meal out of fresh food and many people want to rely on frozen foods instead. Frozen food has a long durability. Another upside of frozen food is that it often has a quite long durability. In many cases, you can store your food in the freezer for many months or even years and it will still be good for consumption. Consequently, you will also not be in a rush to use your frozen foods since you know that they will stay eatable for a quite long time. May prevent the spread of bacteria. Fresh foods are often also quite vulnerable to the spread of bacteria. Especially if they have minor damages, bacteria as well as mold can develop quite easily and your food may have just a rather limited shelf life. In contrast, if you freeze your food, it will no longer be vulnerable to those unwanted microorganisms and your food will stay eatable for much longer thanks to your freezer. Frozen food can be cheaper than fresh food. In many cases, you can also save plenty of money on food if you buy frozen instead of fresh foods. For instance, if you want to buy fresh fish, you will often have to pay multiple times more compared to just buying the frozen version. Hence, if you want to save significant amounts of money in the long run, going for frozen food instead of fresh food can be a good plan. You can reduce your food waste through the use of frozen food. Since your food will have a much longer durability when it is frozen, you can also significantly reduce your food waste. In fact, it is quite shocking how much food ends up in the garbage instead of on our plates each year and we should feel morally obligated to use our groceries as efficient as possible. Therefore, if you want to use your food as efficiently as possible, using frozen instead of fresh food can also greatly help you in this regard. Gives you more flexibility regarding your meal plan. Frozen food can also give you a much higher level of flexibility regarding what you want to eat the next days. For instance, if you buy fresh foods, you will have to use them within a few days so that they don't get bad. Therefore, you will be quite inflexible regarding what you want to eat the next days. However, in contrast, if you rely on frozen food instead, you can choose rather spontaneously what you want to eat and can change your mind from one day to the other. You can pre-cook a lot. Freezing your food can also give you the opportunity to pre-cook your favorite foods and putting it in the freezer. By doing so, you can provide yourself with your favorite dishes for a quite long time and only have to cook them once. Hence, you can optimize your time quite a lot since you only have to cook one time and still are able to enjoy your dishes in multiple occasions. Using frozen food can make sense if you work long hours. Especially if you work in a demanding corporate job for long hours every day, using frozen food can really make your life easier since you will often not have the time to cook by yourself, and if you come home tired, you will often also not have the motivation to cook anymore. Thus, in such a case, relying on frozen food instead of fresh food can be a great alternative. Can help restaurants to make their processes more efficient. Frozen food can not only be quite convenient for private persons, it can also be a great help for restaurants so that they can save time and prepare your meal in a shorter period of time. In turn, you will also have shorter waiting times and can use your time for other things instead. Disadvantages of frozen foods. Frozen food may not taste as good as fresh food. Although the use of frozen food has many benefits, there are still some problems related to it. For instance, one disadvantage of frozen food is that it often doesn't taste as good as fresh food. In fact, in many cases, the difference in taste is significant, and if you want to eat the best foods, chances are that you want to rely on fresh instead of frozen ones in most cases. Limited variety of frozen dishes. Even though there are some frozen convenience products, the selection of those products is often rather limited, and many of them also do not taste as good as if you cooked them fresh by yourself. Problems in the cooling chain can lead to health problems. An intact cooling chain is crucial in order to consume frozen food in a safe manner. However, in some cases, the cooling chain may be interrupted due to power outages or other issues. If this is the case, plenty of bacteria can develop, and especially products like fish and other seafood can become quite dangerous to consume and can lead to serious health problems. Texture may be altered when freezing food. Another problem of frozen foods is that it often has a different texture compared to fresh foods. In many cases, the texture of frozen foods may be rather dodgy and you may want to rely on fresh foods instead. You may forget your food in the freezer. Some people also simply forget their food in the freezer for many years. Especially if you have a big freezer, this can happen since you will have many different layers of food in it and you may never get to the bottom. In turn, if you store some foods in the freezer for too long, they may no longer be eatable, or at least, they may no longer taste that good. Some frozen dishes contain preservatives. Another downside of frozen dishes is that they often contain unhealthy preservatives in order to have an even longer duration. In the long run, those preservatives can lead to serious health issues for some people. Hence, if you want to rely on frozen food, you may want to go for dishes that don't contain too many preservatives. Some foods may lose precious nutrients and vitamins. While some frozen foods actually contain more vitamins and nutrients compared to fresh foods, the majority of frozen foods will still contain far less vitamins and other beneficial components compared to fresh foods. Hence, from an overall health perspective, fresh foods may be the way to go instead of using excessive amounts of frozen food on a regular basis. Incorrect freezer temperature may be a problem. While freezers can be a great help for us to increase the shelf life of our foods, they can also be rather harmful to our foods if they don't have the correct temperature. In fact, some people choose an incorrect freezer temperature, and this can lead to a state where the food will get bad after a rather short period of time. Freezer burn can happen. Sensitive foods can also suffer from serious freezer burn. Even though the food will still be eatable with freezer burn most of the cases, it will still lose some of its quality. Frozen food may not look as tasty as fresh food. If you use frozen food instead of fresh food, chances are that your dishes will also not look that nice. For example, the color of frozen food will often not be as bright as the color of fresh food. Hence, if you want to invite guests for a nice evening, you may want to rely on fresh instead of frozen food in order to impress your guests, not only from a taste but also from a visual perspective. Freezers can be expensive. Another issue with frozen food is that getting a freezer can also be quite costly. In fact, if you want to buy a good and energy-efficient freezer, you often have to spend several hundreds of dollars on it, and if you are on a budget right now, chances are that you will simply not be able or also not willing to afford a freezer. You need some space for installing a freezer. You may also experience problems with frozen food if you live in a rather small flat and your kitchen space is quite limited. In such a case, you may also not have any space for the installation of a freezer. Should you use frozen food? We can conclude from the previous analysis that there are many upsides and downsides of frozen food. While using fresh food can make sense from time to time, frozen food can be a great alternative if you don't have time to cook by yourself. If you like the audio lesson, please give a thumbs up. Moreover, please comment if you have any questions regarding this lecture. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel in order to get notified when future audio lessons are published.